Stop letting a tiny balcony limit your dreams of a home orchard. In 2026, we are turning industrial waste into a vertical fruit factory that defies city living. This recycled PVC tower bypasses zero floor space issues to deliver a gravity fed strawberry harvest right outside your door. Let's reclaim your concrete jungle. If you live in an apartment, condo, or townhome, you've probably looked at your small balcony and thought, there's just not enough room to grow food. Traditional gardening spreads outward, consuming valuable floor space that's already limited in an urban environment. But what if the solution isn't finding more space? It's using the space you already have differently. Instead of growing horizontally, we're going vertical. By stacking plants upward, you transform empty air into productive growing space. A single vertical strawberry tower can hold dozens of healthy plants while occupying less than 1 square foot of your balcony or patio. Even better, every plant receives excellent airflow, easier harvesting, and a beautiful cascading display of vibrant green leaves and bright red berries. Today, we'll build a recycled PVC strawberry tower that turns the smallest outdoor space into a surprisingly productive edible garden, proving that even city living can deliver an abundant harvest. Every successful vertical garden begins with a solid blueprint. Before a single strawberry is planted, we need to transform an ordinary piece of recycled PVC pipe into a planter that's designed for both productivity and long-term plant health. The secret isn't simply drilling random holes. Each planting pocket is carefully staggered around the tower, giving every strawberry its own growing space and reducing competition for sunlight. This spiral pattern allows leaves to spread naturally, improves airflow, and helps ensure each plant receives several hours of direct light throughout the day. As we shape each planting pocket, we're creating more than openings. We're engineering a compact growing system that maximizes every inch of vertical space. But the most important feature is hidden where you can't see it. Inside the center of the tower, an internal hydration spine will deliver water evenly from top to bottom, helping every strawberry plant receive consistent moisture without wasting water or leaving the lower pockets dry. The outside supports the harvest. The inside keeps it alive. A vertical strawberry tower is only as effective as the way it delivers water. Without a proper irrigation system, the top plants often receive too much moisture while the lower pockets dry out long before water reaches them. That's where the internal irrigation engine makes all the difference. At the center of the tower, we'll install a perforated feeder tube wrapped in landscape fabric. The tiny holes allow water to escape gradually, while the fabric keeps soil particles from clogging the openings over time. Instead of flooding the surface, water is delivered directly into the heart of the tower, where plant roots need it most. The system is completely gravity-fed, allowing water to flow naturally from the top reservoir through the hydration spine before spreading evenly throughout the soil. A quick flow test ensures every planting pocket receives consistent moisture, keeping the top plants healthy without overwatering and making sure the bottom strawberries never go thirsty. A vertical strawberry tower is only as productive as the soil and plants inside it. Unlike traditional garden beds, these towers drain quickly, so the growing medium must be light enough to allow water to flow freely, while still holding enough moisture and nutrients to support healthy roots. A quality potting mix blended with compost, coconut coir, and perlite creates the perfect balance of drainage, aeration, and long-lasting fertility. Healthy roots mean stronger plants, better flowering, and sweeter berries throughout the season. Choosing the right strawberry variety is equally important. Ever-bearing varieties are excellent for vertical towers because they produce multiple harvests instead of a single short crop. That means fresh strawberries over a much longer growing season with consistent production from top to bottom. When planting, gently guide the roots into each pocket before adding soil around them. This simple root-first technique anchors the plant securely, helping it resist wind, gravity, and the movement that can damage delicate young roots. A strong start beneath the soil creates a healthier harvest above it. Your strawberry tower is now growing, but a few simple maintenance habits can turn a good harvest into a great one. Because one side of the tower may receive more sunlight than the other, rotate the tower every week or two, or place a reflective panel behind it to bounce additional light onto the shaded side. This helps every plant develop evenly and encourages consistent flowering and fruit production. Keep your plants thriving with a balanced organic liquid fertilizer every 1 to 2 weeks during active growth. Regularly inspect the leaves for aphids, spider mites, or other common pests, and treat problems early with gentle organic methods, such as insecticidal soap or a strong spray of water. Soon you'll be harvesting ripe strawberries almost every day. And once you've mastered one tower, expanding is easy. Add a second, then a third, until your small balcony becomes a productive vertical strawberry orchard that delivers fresh fruit all season long.